for it to be good quality, a green screen needs good lighting. It also needs a physical green screen. You cannot, right, okay. Well, if you have the green screen software, which is what I've got with me today, and you don't have a green screen and you don't have lighting, you'll get a good picture, but you won't be able to see 10 fingers on screen. Yeah. And I will have a halo, and at worst, my hair will be blowing in a non-existent breeze. The reason for that is my lighting is not good enough. Now, lighting, I've got, again, I'll give you the kit list after, but I have got a soft light either side of me. I'll show you. Okay. Now, I was asked by Mila to do a tour of the my broadcasting studio on mobile phone. The way I've got it set up at the moment, I can only have one camera, which is a godsend really, because what I can do is I can go off solo and I can show you my office. Okay. This is my office, and just going around it, well, this left of the curtain is my softbox, and that points to the wall in front of me, and the light reflects back. Okay, and I've got a similar one on the other side, so my lighting is at the side of me, pointing the way I'm facing, and the light reflects back onto me. Okay, the portable you see there is a Microsoft Book 2, and then I've got a large monitor, keyboard, and then my headphones, and that's my setup. That's my office. I've got a green screen behind me and the other soft light. That's it. That's where I broadcast from. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of my setup, but it's a Microsoft Surface Book 2. It's a BenQ monitor. It's the 2 soft lights. It's a remote keyboard on a stand. Stand was a gift from Joe Shepherd. Thank you, Joe. And the other thing I've got, I'll come back to me, is I'm very fortunate in that I don't have to use earbuds. One, because I'm on my own, and the second, because even in a multi-person show, I don't need earbuds. I'll come back to that later. So lighting is so important, and it makes the difference. I've got 2 soft boxes, one either side of me, and they're what give a crisp picture. If I switch the lights off, as I did a moment ago, as the natural light faded, I would just go darker and darker and darker. Room lights help, but either a ring light or soft boxes take you from being good to being near perfect. We'll never be perfect, but we can sort of work towards it. Okay, so on with the show. Okay, so this is my camera. It's a Logitech Brio Stream Webcam, Ultra HD 4K Streaming Edition, 1080p, 60 frames per second, hyper fast. Okay, and again, the link to that is in my kit list. So that's the camera you're actually watching today. And on. Again, if you've got any questions, right, okay. I'll bring that up next. If you're in a home office or in an office, then there are going to be noises all around you. Your microphone facing towards you, my microphone is about 2 foot, 1.5 meters away from me, or 1 meter away from me. And it picks up my voice, but because of the way that the microphone works, it also picks up background noises. Now, unfortunately, we had a leaking roof, and the roofers came along and said, you've got 2 choices. We can either do a repair, or we can take the roof off and put a new roof on. Now, the long-term thing said, okay, we want a new roof. Now, that meant that scaffolding went up all around the house. And where you've got scaffolding, you've got people climbing the scaffolding. Where you've got roofers, you've got people actually banging and hitting things and making loud noises. Now, I could hear those noises, but they never, ever made it to a live broadcast. And I broadcast 6 times a week. The reason that it didn't make it to broadcast is I use noise cancellation. And the one that I use, which I renewed today, is Krisp.ai. And that is the website as well. So Krisp.ai is the website. That is not an affiliate link. Is noise cancellation. It cuts out all the background noise. Yeah, and it is an essential part of any studio because it stops it. Well, first of all, it means that people listening to you won't hear the background noises. And the other thing, if you're at home or in the office, it means that the people who are with you can still move around making noises as they normally would, but they don't make it onto your broadcast. So Krisp.ai is part of my toolkit, and it's $60 a year, and it makes a great deal of difference to the quality of the sound. Okay, and it just simply works. Peter Stewart, who's a discerning buyer, invested in Krisp.ai, and he is more than happy with it. And if Peter's happy, then I'm happy. And noise cancellation is important in live broadcasting because we said earlier, we asked the question, what's important in a live broadcast? And the answer came twice: audio. So do consider using noise cancellation. Krisp.ai have well, it's not a trial. I think you can do 2 hours a month for free. It gives you a chance to work out whether it's working or not. And then you invest $60, and you can get that $60 back because they have a very good affiliate scheme. So do look at noise cancellation software. It makes a difference to the quality of the audio on your broadcast. Right, now, if you're solo, as I am today, I don't need earbuds. I don't need headphones. I can just go on as me because I'm not echoing. In a single person broadcast, you do not need earbuds or headphones. But when there are 2 or more of you on screen, you need to have earbuds or headphones to stop the echo. What happens is that if I was on live now with, say, John, and I'm talking and John's not wearing earbuds, then I would be able to hear myself with a delay. Not only would I be able to hear myself, but everybody watching will be able to hear me twice. Now, I'm happy that you can hear me once, but to hear me twice is not really a good thing. So both John and I would have to wear earphones or earbuds or headphones to actually cut out the echo. And this is a thing to remember. The person who does not hear the echo is the person creating it. Now, if John doesn't hear it and I do, then it means it's because John's not wearing headphones. Yeah. Now, just a point here. In terms of headphones, and hopefully this will show on screen, I use those headphones. It's killing the green screen. You can actually see it's green. I use Aftershok's headphones because they're dual purpose. I can use them for the broadcast and I get good quality sound, but I can also, I enjoy walking, I enjoy marathon walking. I can also use them when I'm out walking and jogging. I can hear the traffic and I can listen to music at the same time. So Aftershok's, and again, it's in the kit list. And those are probably the best earbuds around because you just put them on and it looks like strange, but that's it. No wires, no nothing, and you can listen to a multi-person broadcast. So my piece of kit I really enjoy, and Chris enjoys using these too, is Aftershocks. Okay, be unusual in